all the students of MEC454. Today we will conduct an experiment of flow-through Venturi tube and Orifice split. And this experiment is to understand the coefficient discharge of the Venturi tube and the Orifice split. Okay, we will explain the apparatus used for this experiment. First, we have a valve to switch on or switch off the water inlet, and this is where the water will enter. And this is the measurement apparatus that we use. First, this is the Venturi tube, and this is the Orifice split, and this is where the water will drain. And this is the switch to switch on or switch off the whole machine. And this is a meter where we will measure the volume flow rate, and this is the valve that we will use to stop and calculate the volume flow rate. And lastly, this is the manometer tube where we will use to evaluate the H1 and H2. Okay, for the experimental procedure, first we need to record the inlet and throat diameter of the Venturi tube, and as we can see in this lab sheet, the diameter is already listed here. Then we need to fix the Venturi tube into this section, and we already have done that. And we need to close all the valves here, and then we need to connect the hose from the manometer tube to the pressure tapping point of the Venturi tube. This is for the H1 reading, and this is for the H2 reading. Okay, in order to collect the data and record the measurement, we need to open the water, open the valve, and allow the water to enter. And as we can see here, we will wait the manometer to reach 1000 millimeter. Okay, already. Okay, then we close the lower valve, and then we will record how long it takes for 5 liter volume increment. Okay, for the first one, we will start when the volume reach at 10. Okay, for the first reading is 0.08 seconds. After the water reach 1000 millimeter, then we record it in the H1 value, and for the H2 value, we read the second manometer tube, and the value observed is 27.5. Actually, this is in cm, and this data in millimeter, so we need to convert it. So the value obtained is 275 millimeter. The reading keep moving, so we need to take the median reading. Okay, for the limit of this machine, so we need to identify the H1 value for the second reading. So in this experiment, we decide to get the value of the H1 as 910, and then we need to do another experiment to identify the value of H2. Okay, for the second measurement, for the 910 H1, we obtain the H2 365. And then we record the flow rate. Here we start to record at 10 and we'll end at 15 liters. Okay, it takes about 9 seconds. Then we repeat until the 640 H1 millimeter and record the, as we can see, the time taken for 5 liter volume to achieve is longer for the each increment. Second part of the experiment, we will use the Orifice plate and we will then first we will remove this Venturi tube. First we remove the hose first. We put it up here. Make sure the H1 hose at the first point. And the second point is the H2 manometer tube. Okay, that's all.